What was going to school like in Brooklyn in those years?
Well, I went to elementary school starting at first grade. And I remember when we first got to the United States, to Brooklyn rather. It must have been sometime maybe in the spring or late spring, and I recall going to, must have been like a summer program, a kindergarten type program. And I remember, oh my, I thought I had gone to heaven. There were tables and toys and books and things to be doing and playing and so on. And the reason I bring it up is because it contrasts to in Cuba, where I remember going the first day to school, and they were bench-type seats, almost like pews. And I was, told, pointed, the children were already there, told to sit there. I had a piece of paper and a pencil, look on the board, and start copying and writing letters. Of course, I started crying after probably a half hour and had to be taken home. But I went back, but it was traumatic. And so therefore, that kindergarten, and seeing what in America, this kindergarten, all of a sudden,